3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So, after speaking to a brother, we have come to another brother here and we are asking him what does he know about his religion, what does he know commonly, generally, what does he think about religion and how religion has an effect on society and what does he think on other religions. So, brother, what do you think religion is? मज़हब क्या है और religion क्या effect क्या है? What does religion have an effect on society?
Religion teaches people to be good.
To be good.
Good.
Okay.
Any religion. To be good in the hope that every religion kind of promises that you will get a paradise or a heaven or whatever.
Okay. So you have a concept that religion guarantees something.
Yeah.
It guarantees you something
Like
with the hope.
Yeah.
With that hope,
That at
you
least
do
they
something good.
Good.
Okay.
And also pray to God, whichever God.
So which God is it? What are you saying about God? You said God. Which God are you telling should we believe, or what concept of God does a religion have?
God, there are many people believe in many gods.
Okay.
Some people believe in one God.
Okay.
And sometimes
So according
maybe God, because people will believe in God because it will help, it will give them some strength.
okay.
Like somebody is with me.
Okay. So
Somebody is with me.
you have an inner strength when you
Yeah.
believe in a God. You
It
have an
gives you
inner
the strength, yeah.
But so personally, sir, which religion are you in, and which God do you believe in? Do you believe in many gods, or do you believe in one God, as you said?
As a Hindu, I believe in many gods.
Okay, many.
Because I have to. Because if believing in one, I believe in many gods because, and also pray to many gods. Because if you pray to one god and deny other gods, you're not praising any god.
So
You pray to many gods.
So basically, you pray to many gods
Yeah, but
because.
there can be one god.
Okay, so you pray to many gods because you don't want to upset another god.
Yeah.
You don't want to upset another.
Correct.
So you
Yeah.
have a concept that you are fixed. You know that there are so many gods, and you just don't want to upset any god. So
It
you.
is like I don't know for sure whether there are many gods
Okay.
or there is a one god or if there is a god.
So you don't know for sure.
Yeah.
But just
But
because
you
you are
have to,
a
like,
Hindu,
yeah.
you cannot choose anything,
Yeah.
and you have to do it.
How to do it?
Okay, so
Obliged.
that is the concept which you have.
Yeah.
So sir, can I ask you one question? When you say there are so many gods,
Yeah.
there are so many different processes in
Yeah.
this universe right now.
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
beach, the
Yeah.
water is flowing. See,
Yeah.
look at that beautiful sun. The clouds,
Yeah.
they're blowing around.
Yeah.
The rain falls, the
Yeah.
greenery, the birds are chirping.
Yeah.
So all this, it happens parallelly. Everything happens together in one synchronous
Yeah,
way.
synchronized, yeah, synchronized, like music.
Like a music,
Yeah.
like you said.
Yeah.
So if there are so many gods,
Yeah.
you said if there are so many gods,
Yeah.
then how can each god has to do that particular thing in every part of the universe at that same time? If one god tells no, I will not do it, the other everything goes wrong. Everything goes wrong in the universe. So do you feel anything has happened in the universe as such like that? Any unnatural phenomena? Some god has told no, I won't blow wind today, so there is no air blowing in the air. Has it happened till
No.
now? It does not happen. So how
They
can
must
you
be
say?
working synchronized?
Yeah, it is
very much
synchronized
together.
So how can you say that there are so many gods and they are doing it in a very synchronized way? Because sir,
Yeah.
commonly if there are two kings,
Yeah.
let us take only two kings.
Yeah.
There are two kings sitting, they are ruling one kingdom.
Yeah,
One king,
Things can
one
go
day,
wrong if there are many people.
So one day he tells no, I want to be that very king.
Yeah.
I want to be that ruler, and he
Yeah.
fights with the other one. And
But even in Muslim religion, Allah and His million names.
okay.
Allah
Ah.
and His million names.
Okay.
Even Allah has many names.
So sir,
Like that, even we think of gods are many, they may be same God with one name. They may be same God with one name. Like you are brother to somebody, son to somebody.
Sir,
Yeah.
you said that in Islam,
Yeah.
a Muslim
Yeah.
believes in one God,
Yeah.
and he has that God Allah.
Yeah.
He has a billion names.
Yeah.
So from where did you get this idea? Like who
I read it
studied?
somewhere.
Okay, you read it somewhere. So
Yeah.
I'll clear that concept.
Yeah.
In Islam,
Yeah.
there is only one concept of one God.
One God. Yeah.
That God,
Yeah.
those names which you are talking about, those
Yeah.
are only his attributes. Like,
Yeah.
see, I describe myself. My
Yeah.
name is Tariq.
Yeah.
Somebody tells he's good.
Yeah.
Somebody tells he's bad.
Yeah.
Somebody tells he's angry, he's
Yeah.
arrogant.
Yeah.
So those don't become my names.
No, they won't become your
Those
names.
don't
No.
become my names.
Yeah.
So whenever I
They
give
are
any
your attributes.
attribute
Allah
to
with His
someone,
attributes,
yeah.
millions of
So,
attributes.
So,
Yeah.
sir, like that,
Yeah.
don't you feel Islam believes in only one God?
It does.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, sir, now I would just like to conclude and thank you
Yeah.
for joining us. I would like to tell you that the concept of one God
Yeah.
is something to think about.
It is.
You have to think over it.
Yeah.
Why there cannot exist so many gods together, and
Something
why
that-
blindly do we follow some religion, something which our religion tells us, just because we are Hindus, just because we are some religion,
Yeah.
we blindly follow whatever it teaches. So, sir, very, very thank you
Thank you.
for joining us, and thank you for spending the time with us and telling your beautiful thoughts and learning a bit about other religions.